Uh, Ever wondered if Aaron Sorkin can outdo David Fincher's unforgettable trailer for The Social Network? As Sorkin gears up to direct The Social Network 2, this question lingers in the air. Um, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. The 2010 film, The Social Network, uh, remains one of the most iconic movies of its era, thanks in no small part to Fincher's direction. Um, um, but now, with Sorkin stepping behind the camera for the sequel, it's clear that the bar has been set high. A captivating trailer will be key to reigniting the public's curiosity, especially after a 15-year gap since the original. Um, let's take a look at why Fincher's trailer still stands out. Uh, in 2010, it wasn't just the film that made waves; it was the trailer too. No flashy explosions or fast cuts, and just a haunting, minimalistic teaser that captivated audiences from the first second. The trailer's eerie visuals of Facebook profiles, quick flashes of computer screens, and stark minimalist lighting set the tone perfectly. But what truly made it unforgettable was the choice of Radiohead's alternative excellent, and see that the song's melancholy vibe resonated deeply with the themes of loneliness and ambition, drawing viewers into a world of emotional conflict. Um, and Fincher's brilliance didn't stop there, and the trailer didn't reveal much about the plot, but instead focused on building tension using a poetic montage that hinted at the film's core. It was as much a piece of art as it was a promotional tool, leaving a lasting cultural impact. Fast forward to today, and Aaron Sorkin, known for his sharp dialogue and gripping scripts, takes the helm because of the Social Network 2 will be a direct sequel, but rather an exploration of Facebook's far reaching consequences. Inspired by the Facebook Files by Jeff Horwitz, this film will tackle serious issues like misinformation, mental health, and global unrest. A defining moment in the narrative is the January 6th Capitol incident, but Sorkin promises to dive deeper into Facebook's role in shaping modern society. Sorkin now faces a daunting challenge. Can he create a trailer as powerful as Fincher's original? And we've seen Sorkin's brilliance in his writing, but a trailer is an entirely different beast. Will he find a way to capture the cultural tension of our time? Can he surpass the iconic moments from the first film? It's an exciting prospect, and we're eager to see how Sorkin's vision unfolds. Uh, and with all this anticipation, let's just hope the trailer doesn't give too much away. And um, after all, sometimes the most impactful moments are the ones that leave us wanting more. Um, and and here's a little joke to lighten the mood. Why don't social media platforms ever tell jokes? Because they always get blocked. Uh, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, a round dot tong below.